friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. What is the one thing, my friends, which bothers us the most when we have to move to a foreign country, especially people from Indian subcontinent? When we have to send our kids to a foreign country for studies or job, what is the one thing which we think, oh, it is such a big disadvantage moving to a foreign country. It will be so much problem for us if we go there. It's about getting a maid, because in India we are so much dependent nowadays for having a cleaner. A maid comes to our home daily to clean the house. For ironing clothes we have a different helper. We always have some type of help in India, and we think that in foreign countries like Germany we will miss those things. It will be very expensive, or it will be very hard to find, or it will be impossible to get a help, such type of help in Germany. That is why I thought that I will make a video about that, because I myself hired a maid months ago, and because I needed it, and I know the process. So I thought I will share my tips with you, how you can save money, what type of things you have to take in mind when if you are in that also going through that process. So please stay with me till the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like my content, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First of all, my friends, we don't need a household help in Germany, because we, for cleaning, like, we have a vacuum cleaner. For cooking we have even Instapots, we have Thermomix. For washing clothes we have washing machines. For washing dishes we have dishwasher. So there are all type of gadgets available, easily affordable, and different types. You can do according to your needs, whatever you need, and it is not a big problem, and houses don't get so dirty. There is not so much dust in the air. But still, can be a situation, because of your work situation or any physical condition or anything, that you need a maid. And if you have money, if you have that luxury, and if you are also need, yeah, then it is okay to hire a maid. It is easily available, not that much difficult, and also not that much expensive also. It is really not that much expensive. From 10 to 15 euro you can pay a cleaner. According to the area in which you are living, you will know the standard rates. Minimum wage, you have to also consider the minimum wage, what is going around. Like nowadays it is 9.8 something, but what is a minimum wage when you are looking for in the time period, then you can also google it, and according to that pay it. For looking for a maid, you can also go to the websites like eBay. There is a notice board in front of the supermarkets. You can place your ad there. You can place your ads either in German and also in English also, so that the reach is wider. Prefer to also write an ad in German. You have to write, because most of the people here know German, so you have to write like Suche puts Hilfe für zweimal pro Woche. Like, I'm looking for a cleaner for 2 times in a week, and then you have to write your contact number, mobile number. And the thing is, you don't need a maid whole every day. If you need a maid every day, then you can also write it according to that. Otherwise, for me, like, twice a week was enough. When the interested people will contact you, then you will have to arrange all the conditions, duties which you want to them to perform. For example, window cleaning is the main thing. That window cleaning, some houses have very big windows. In that case, they have window cleaner specially. Then the cleaner doesn't do that. But if your house is normal apartments, then yeah, cleaners will also clean the windows also. Ironing the clothes, some cleaners say we don't iron the clothes, some cleaners will iron the clothes for you. That are the main things. They are cleaning the home, that is a normal duty that they will have to do. Making the beds, just write down all the duties they have to perform. These things have to be discussed earlier. One most important thing which I will say is the requirement of Führungszeugnis. Führungszeugnis is a certificate from the police that there is no criminal record against the name of the person. They have to go to the citizen office for that. The person who wants to take up that job as a cleaner, they will go to the citizen's office, and therefore the payment of 13 euro, they will issue a certificate. Looking in the system, it takes around 2 to 3 weeks till the certificate comes from the police department of justice, that yeah, this person doesn't have any criminal record. Then you are free to, it is more safer, like for my mental insurance, that yeah, I can hire that person. and it is a bit of luck by chance, and you will say that cleaner is good or not. But if you pay according to them hourly rate, like okay, today you came, so I'm giving you 2 hours the per cleaner work, so I gave them 20 euro like per day, then it is easy. If you don't like the work, then don't call them next time. But if you like the work, then the person can keep on coming. If you're working from home, then the things will get very interesting, because then you have can also deduct that expense from your income from home business, and it will help you in the saving the taxes. You will also become an employer, that you are employing a person as a mini job. You can give them 450 euro mini job, and it will be good. In that case, you will have to formulate a contract giving the person mini job, and and the salary will then go to the bank account of the person. So yeah, and all these tips, even if you want to work as a cleaner yourself, then also it is good, because as a cleaner it is not considered a menial job here in Germany. If you want to earn extra cash, then cleaner is a great thing to do. People respect the cleaners. Every profession is equally respected, because you are also working, and the other person who is coming to your home as a cleaner, you also have to give them the same respect. You can't treat them like a slave. Give them a proper respect. The work they are doing, you give them honestly, pay them on time, and they will also work honestly for you. If they don't, instead of arguing or anything, you can just tell them, please don't come next time. You can also have a trial period for such employees like cleaner. If you want for a long term, like tell them that okay, today you work as a today is a trial day, work today, work and I will see if you're working okay or not. I will pay you, hire you accordingly. If you have a medical condition, I will say that to first talk to the doctor or Krankenkasse. Krankenkasse is your health insurance, because you also pay Pflegeversicherung from your salary, that taker insurance. So it is possible that health insurance is covering this thing. In that case, a nurse comes to your home twice a week or once a week, as the situation is, and they dress up the wounds, or they will give a bath, or whatever things are needed, giving a massage or giving the medicines to the sick person. So that is also possible. So actually actually there are more facilities here in foreign countries. It is more systematic, especially because it is Germany, so it has to be systematic. There has to be proper order according to that. So you are in safe hands, you are in a safe country. So if there is a need, please hire a maid. Don't suffer. There is no problem in hiring a cleaner here. It is just very easy process. I hope this tips helped you. If these tips helped you, please hit the like button. And if you want some more queries, if you have some more queries, then please ask me in the comment box. I will reply to them as soon as possible. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.